Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so how are you all?
Fine, sir.
Okay, very good. Nice to hear that.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the date today?
Today is 2nd of July.
Yes, very good. 2nd of July. Okay, 2nd of July. Okay. Okay, so subject is
Economics.
yes. So, what is the main topic we have been discussing?
Food security.
Yeah, in India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, today we will discuss, we will discuss one story that will help us to understand, okay,
Yes,
how the concept better food security, okay, subtopic, okay. So, okay, I'll tell you afterwards. So, just to recapitulate whatever we have, okay, discussed in the last class, okay.
Yes, sir.
So we discussed food security in India, okay.
India.
So, what do you understand by food security?
Food security means preserving food for the future use.
Yes, you're correct. Preserving food for future
Future
use.
use.
Okay, but okay. So this is not only like simple ordinary foods, but then whatever other crops, that can be used. Okay, food includes here not only what we cook every day, what is cooked, but then it includes
All
other
kinds
things
of.
also. Yes. Okay. So keeping that means, we can say this way, in this way, keeping essential things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Preserving essential things for future use. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For a living. Okay. So okay. So there are we saw that there are some dimensions. Okay. And then especially there are three aspects. So is to that covers or that helps that covers what is food security means fully. Okay, so first point, what was that? Do you remember?
Yeah, not able to recall,
Okay,
sir.
so I will give you availability of what? Food.
Food, yes, sir.
Yes. So first point was availability of food. That means food, this has to be enough, in abundance,
Yes,
in a country, so that if something happens, suppose there is natural calamity, and if natural calamity takes place, then what will happen? Definitely that crops that is grown in that particular area will be destroyed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in that area you want to, so suppose if you are the chief minister or prime minister, what is your responsibility? It is your responsibility to provide, because
Yes, sir.
they don't have enough food, and
Yes, sir.
if people are poor in that area, they may not be able to buy those essential things. Okay, so that is what food has to be available in abundance. Okay, the second one, accessibility. Okay, accessibility. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
means everyone. Every person can have access to buy. Okay, so things has to be available for everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I can get access to this food, so that they can buy. Okay, if this is
Yes,
not
sir.
access, then what will you do? You may not be able to buy.
Yes, sir.
So this has to be good. Suppose now if some food is there in one particular place and it is very far, there is no transport facility. What will you do? You may not be able to have access to get those
Food.
yes, the essential things. Okay, so that is the another third one is this is first, second. Okay, the third one is, what is the third one? Affordability.
Affordability.
Okay, affordability, that means everyone has to should be able to buy.
Buy, yes, sir.
What kind of food? That is also nutritious, quality one, not just Hybrid in the sense that is only quantity, but then no quality. Okay. So that quality food has to be okay. Everyone should be able to buy. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now I request one of you to to switch on the projector. So today we are going to see a story. Okay.
Yes,
A
sir.
story of Ramu.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ramu. Okay. Story of Ramu. Okay. Okay. Is it visual, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the slide is okay. Hope it is visual to you. Okay, so story of Ramu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we see here Ramu works as a casual laborer in agriculture in Raipur village. Okay. Raipur. Where is Raipur? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is it?
It is the capital of Chhattisgarh, sir.
Very good. Yes, very good. So you people know. Very good. I'm happy to hear that. Okay. So he was casual laborer. That means he actually does not have his own land. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he works. Okay. In works in different for different people. Okay. In the somebody is in field he works. Okay. So his eldest son Somu. Okay. What is his eldest son's name? Somu.
Somu.
Who is 10 years old.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
10 years old. I also works as a pali to look after cattle of the sarpanch of the village. What is that? Satpal Singh. So who is sarpanch there of that village? Satpal Singh, the sarpanch. So what does he do? This Somu looks after those cattle. Whose cattle? Sarpanch. Okay.
Sarpanch cattle.
Yeah, sarpanch cattle. So he looks after the cattle of sarpanch. Okay, Satpal
Yes,
Singh.
sir.
Okay. So it looks okay. So let us see. Okay, the next slide. What is there? Okay, next. Okay. So here you see, Somu is employed for the whole year by the sarpanch and is paid a sum of how much rupees? 1,000 rupees. Okay, 1,000 rupees for this work. Okay, for looking after the cattle. That is not only for 1 month. Okay.
Yes,
That
sir.
is for whole year. So how much he is paid? Only 1,000 rupees. Okay, whole year he has to look after the cattle and he is paid for that work 1,000 rupees. Okay. Ramu has 3 more sons and 2 daughters, but they are too young to work on the field. So okay. So Ramu, how many sons? Yeah. How many sons does Ramu have?
2, 3,
See here, 3 more sons. That means including Somu, he has got
4.
4 sons. Then 2 daughters.
2 daughters.
Okay, so four sons. Okay,
Yes, sir.
plus 2 daughters. Okay. So how many children altogether? 6 children. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the 6 children. Okay. And then we see they are all very young. Okay, they are very small. That means they cannot work in the field.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So you see here, his wife Sunhari is also part-time working as house cleaner for the livestock, removing and managing cow dung. Okay. She gets half liter milk and some cooked food along with vegetables for her daily work. So
Yes,
what
sir.
what do you see here? What do we see here? Sunhari, okay, she's also what is that? She works whose house? Maybe she's also working, not mentioned, but she's also working maybe the sarpanch house.
Yes,
She's
sir.
looking after the okay. So Sunhari, okay. Sunhari, okay. And how much does she get? Half liter, okay.
Half liter.
Half liter what?
Milk.
Yes, milk, okay. Then what do we see here? Some cooked food along with the vegetables, okay. So okay, it's a cooked food, okay. Cooked food, then some vegetables, okay, for her daily survival. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is her actually wages. Okay, so let us see what is okay. The next what is given there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you see here, besides she also works in the field along with her husband in the busy season and supplements his earnings. Okay. So besides that, she works. She was where? In okay, she is okay helps her husband also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
She okay in the field after okay looking after cleaning the house. Okay, you saw that cow dung. She throws everything. After that, she goes to help her husband. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then you see, agriculture, okay, being a seasonal activity employs Ramu only during times of sowing, transplanting, and harvesting. So, since it is okay, seasonal activity. What kind of activity?
Seasonal.
Seasonal activity. Okay, seasonal activity. So, we see here also he was during what? Sowing. Okay, sowing then
Transplanting.
transplanting. Okay. Okay, then
Harvesting, sir.
harvesting. So, harvesting, okay. Afterwards, what does he do? He is actually jobless. He has no other works. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see what he does. Okay. So you see, he remains unemployed for about 4 months during the period of plant consolidation and maturing in a year. So what does he do? 4 years he is. 4 months he is unemployed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 months he is unemployed. Okay, unemployed. Okay. And then he looks for work in other activities. So what is he looks for work? So, okay. In other activities. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sometimes he gets employment in bricklaying. Okay, or in construction activities in the village. So, okay, bricks. Okay, laying means making bricks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, making bricks. Okay. Okay. And then what else? Construction. Okay, building construction maybe. Okay, building construction. Okay. So okay. Oh. So okay. By all his efforts, Ramu is able to earn enough either in cash or kind for him to buy essential for 2 square meals for his family. So with this he is managing. Okay, he is
Yes,
able
sir.
to get 2 square of meals. Okay. However, during the days when he is unable to get some work, he and his family really face difficulties, and sometimes his small kids have to sleep without food. So this is the situation. That means when he is unemployed, when he has no other works, what does he do? His children has to go to bed without eating food. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the situation. Okay. Okay. Milk and vegetables are not regular part of meals in the family. So they are not getting enough nutritious food every day. Okay.
Yes,
Ramu
sir.
is food insecure during 4 months. So it is coming as students. Okay, 4 months when he remains unemployed because of the seasonal nature of agriculture work. So our main topic is food security in India. Okay.
Yes,
So what
sir.
happens here? So this will help 4 months when he is unemployed. This is what this indicates that he is actually Ramu is food insecure during 4 months. That means he is not having enough food. He has to manage with what he has already earned. Okay, and saved money. Okay, if he has not saved, then he has to go. He has to
Survive.
survive. Yeah, just survive. Okay.
Yes,
So that
sir.
is means food insecure. Okay. Okay, so you can see here the students what maybe use okay grazing cattle. Okay, grazing
Yes,
okay
sir.
cattle. Okay. So hope things are okay. So just now we'll recapitulate. Okay. So
Okay,
whatever
sir.
we have seen. So okay. So you can say why is agriculture seasonal activity? Why do you think?
Because all throughout the year you don't get, sir. Maybe because of the uh, inconsistency of the rain, and because of
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
irrigation
Okay, okay.
facility is not there. That's why
Yes,
only
yes, yes,
seasonal.
Yes, very good. So season everywhere we don't have facilities. Okay. So only some places only we have all the like, irrigation facilities. Okay, but it is based on seasonal means when it rains, rainy season that time only they cultivate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So why is Ramu unemployed for about 4 months in a year.
Because of the seasonal agricultural
Yes.
activity.
At that 4 months actually, that no, what happens? That crops actually they get matured.
Over,
Okay.
sir,
Yes,
yes.
getting ready to be okay. Okay. So what does Ramu do when he is unemployed?
He goes to work in other fields, sir.
Yes, fantastic. So I'm very happy. Okay, so all of you have understood the story, and so hope this story help you to understand what is food insecure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So home assignment, dear students. Okay, home assignment. How many people are food insecure in your localities? Write down in about 500 words. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
how things are clear to dear students. So have a nice day, students.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.